Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write EARFUN. Now search, and you should install this application. Now open it, agree. You can log in into your account by Apple, Google or by your email, but I'm going to skip it, so I'm click at the skip. Then we need allow Bluetooth permission, so click allow and allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!